not to wait. Let all that run through the fields, through the quiet, go on with their own hidden ways. When all the newness of gold travels far from where it had once been, born like the earth over years, and when the axe of men caused the ground to break open, oh, let me inside, not to wait. Great are the sounds of all that live, and all that man can hold. If all that grows starts to fade, starts to falter, oh, let me inside, not to wait. Great are the sounds